I just wanted to give you a tip. I just came across a theme, and if you like it, you can install it. It's actually something I remember easily because it seems to have a word that's coming from Dutch. So flat, and we all know what the word flat means in English, but the translation actually is flat in Dutch is plat. So Flatpak is for us a word. So number one, and I'm gonna show you how this theme looks, and maybe if you like it, you can install it as well. So no need to install it and to bother if you don't like it. You just see the video and say, okay, never mind. But if you like it, this is what you do then. It all depends on what desktop you are. It's gonna be different on every desktop. We have 16 of them. I happen to be on XFCE, on the flagship. And of course we need to set it somewhere. Now XFCE has two things. This one, and where's the other one? The window manager. There are two things, well actually three things. It's a bit awkward, but once you know it, it's okay, right? Appearance holds the themes, the icons, all good. This one holds the border, so the border up here is defined by this one. And then often people look for the cursor, and that's going to be here, the mouse and the touchpad. Here is the theme. If I want to have a orange one, I now have an orange one, right? So what did we install? We have installed a theme, and a theme is often the window, but also the border up here. So what is Flatpak thing? What does it look like? Voila, there we go. Let's have a look. So now we have this kind of look. Of course, this is still the icons of Sarti, but we can totally change that to, I don't know, surfen. And this is gonna be looking like that. And there are so many more other themes. But not all themes have, well, all the icons we need. So this is surfen. There is also Sarti available. Numeric circle light. Also maybe interesting to use this. And let's keep this just for the rest of the remainder, because there's paper, there's papyrus, there's hello icons you can install, and there is so many more icons to install. What you do? Venture your way in AWAR. Have a look at all the icons that are online. First of all, in ArcoLinux repos, in our repos, but then AWAR. Lots and lots and lots of icons. Just the word icons, can be anything of course, but 322 things here just about when you search the word icons. All right, we were looking for the theme, right? Flatpak blue. Check. Flatpak blue compact. Things changed a bit. Maybe we should open up a file manager. It often is changing that way. A little bit, right? Blue dark, blue compact, blue light compact. So these are all possibilities. And if you go for, let's say, this is dark, this is okay. But actually, we should go to the other guy. The guy that says the window manager. At this point in time, the window manager up here is arc dark, but we can go back all the way down to Flatpak blue again. Now the Flatpak blue, let's go and click here. Now we see something, right? So in this case, we see that this line is going to be blue, which means that we should take rather than this guy. This one is intended to go to fit with the other guy. So that's Flatpak blue. Maybe you like it. Maybe you say, nope, not my thing. It's all good. It's just I just found it, and it's just a software tip. All right, have fun.